Hello everyone, my name is Aprajita. I'm basically from Chennai. After my education in UK, I came and took over my school KNS in 2018. So my grandfather started the school 20 years back. So after she was buried here, he wanted to, this is his birthplace, so he wanted to do something for the community. That is why he started the school. My grandpa was not educated properly. He had to face poverty when he was growing up. So he wanted to give something that he was not given. So that is why we have a lot of academic scholarships and sports scholarship where students can study here free of cost. Few students who really deserve it, and this is something I want to give back to the community. For the past 1 year, we've made a lot of changes. Basically, what I did was I revamped the entire staffs, and our school is basically a nature school. We are surrounded by greeneries, so I started focusing more on that. I feel the education in the classrooms are not confined to walls, so my students are more outside, they play a lot, and for me, we develop humans rather than student machines. So we have overall development in KNS. We give importance to sports, extracurricular activities, and also in communicative English. Here parents are the pillars of our school. We have a lot of support from our community, and basically students love coming to our school. We don't focus much on getting marks. Those students study well. Here when a student comes in, the student are expected to do a lot more of activities than always sitting with books. So that is, I feel that is our uniqueness, because this is a rural area where our school is located, and here students are not having much exposure that the city students are having. So I'm trying to give them a piece of that. We take them on field trips, we take them on international tours, and so they get to know what actually the world they'll be facing after they graduate from our school. Of course, we have to give NEET exam. The coaching has been going on. Basically, I feel it's a little bit stressful for the students because they have to focus on their board exams as well as study for NEET. So students are getting a little bit exhausted, but I think with time they are coping up. So the student basically has an interest for the subject and chooses to study the subject. So basically they spend a lot of time in libraries, they do the research on their own, and also they don't rely on books. That's what foreign students are doing, and they go and work and get an experience from that. So slowly we can adopt the system in India. Now a lot of schools are adopting that. They are not basically giving exams out of books. They're giving own questions, and students get into creative. And also the syllabuses now I'm going through, they're all very creative. But since we have these boards and syllabuses, it has to be more open, more explorative. Then slowly we can make the changes. Finland, basically they get into schooling system at the age of 7. So their brain is much more developed than a 3-year-old here in LKG or junior kindergarten. And basically, like I said, half the time they spend outside. They interact with the nature, they interact with the fellow human beings rather than sitting and studying. And also Finland, they don't pressurize the students to study. The pressure is not there. They are given an opportunity to explore. Their creative side is kindled. That is why I could see a lot of changes from here and there. Basically, students enjoy studying. They love to read. They love to solve problems which are more interesting than compared to India. So yeah, you can adopt. There are a lot of programs that is happening where Finland education system is coming into India, but everything takes time. When I took over the school, I made an oath that to make this the best school. So we are working towards that. This is not a one-man show. I have a huge team, huge well-wishers supporting me. With them, with time, yes, I can do it. Thank all of them who has believed in me. So I've just took over. I have a lot more to prove, and I continuously want your support and your well wishes, and I'm very grateful to my grandpa who has given me this school. So this is a platform for me to prove, and I also want to thank God for believing in me. First of all, good luck, all the best. The world is very big and there are a lot of opportunities, and I ask everybody to dream, because when you dream it, you can do it.